Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I'm going to be trying out a new product. This is a face cleansing paper. And this was sent to me by a company called Aliza. Maybe it's Aliza. I'm not quite sure on the pronunciation of that. But if you want to see how this works, just keep watching. So I do want to point out that this was sent to me. This is not a sponsored video. This was just sent to me for PR to try out. I've actually been seeing quite a few people in the YouTube community trying out this product. So I think they're really trying to get this out there and let everybody know about it. But let's go ahead and talk about it. So it comes in a little case like so. And it looks to me just as if you are using one of those cushion foundations. That's exactly what it reminds me of. You open it up and there is a mirror inside, which I haven't taken the film off that yet. I probably won't. There's a little spot that if you had a sponge of some sort, you would put that in there. But then it pops open and these are what the pads look like. So there's 50 in here. Close this up. These have a very silky-like feel to them. They don't really rip so much. Like there, I just kind of broke one apart. So you can tear them up, but there's really no scent to them whatsoever either. And what you're supposed to do is just place it in the palm of your hand, get it wet, get some suds going, and then go in and wash your face and rinse it off. Now, I'm going to go ahead and insert a video of me doing that whole process just right here. All right, now that you see how that looks when I go in and just wash my face with no makeup on, let's see how it does on actually taking off makeup. Instead of doing a full face and wash everything, I'm kind of simulated having different products on. So I've got some concealer, some foundation, a bronzer, mascara, eyebrows, and then some blush. So again, they say to take the product. I'm going to take this one that I ripped, get it in your hand, get it a little wet. I have a little jar of water here. So this might take a few tries. And then you simply rub it together. It still feels pretty dry until it starts to soak up. This does have a very silky feel to it. Let's go in, get a little bit more on there, and see how it does washing. This is not a waterproof mascara. None of these products are waterproof. They're just regular, everyday products. Okay, take my washcloth here. Just got it a little bit damp, and try wiping it off. Right. My hands are all sticky now. It did a very good job. Don't pay attention to the remnants of a bruise that I have right here. Kind of ran into the door frame when I was carrying a box. But it does not get all of that mascara off. So let's go in with the second pad and we will give it another try. See if I can get a little bit soapier here. This is not a mascara that I normally have any issues getting off. So it's getting some of it, but not everything. Okay. For me, that would be fine because I normally take my eye makeup off with a eye makeup remover anyway, so I don't mind having a little bit of mascara left on there, but I think it did a really good job of getting everything else off. And I'll tell you, it leaves your skin feeling very, very soft. So I do appreciate that. It doesn't leave that dry, soapy feel that you can easily get from some soaps. So I think this would be great to also take when you're traveling. That way you don't have to bring like your big cleanser bottles or try and transplant them into 3-ounce little bottles that are good for traveling. I always worry about that stuff spilling anyway, so I think this would be a great alternative to take. I really like them, but I don't know if it's something I would reach for all the time. Let's put it that way. I just don't feel like I would be reaching for this very much just to be my everyday cleanser. And with 50 sheets in there, and I think this runs, let me look at the price real quick. Yes, this sells for $24.95 and you get 50 sheets. So when you break that down, it's 50 cents a sheet to be using this. So again, I wouldn't want to use this on an everyday basis. This would just be something perfect to take along for traveling. And I love the size of it. I love that it will keep, and I can just throw it into a toiletry bag that I already have made up that has just my essentials that I'm always taking, so that way I don't have to repack things all the time. And again, I really like the way that this leaves my skin feeling. It doesn't dry it out at all. So I really do appreciate that. So, hey, thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'm going to leave a link down below for the product if you're interested in picking that up. And make sure that you also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Plus, if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And feel free to leave me any comments, questions. If there's something you'd like to see me go ahead and review, please let me know below. And until next time, you guys, I love you, and bye-bye.